Okay. Chaos of the PvP server. And today we're gonna be doing a build battle between me and my little brother. And the host today.
No, not between you and your little brother.
Wait,
It's gonna be within the entire.
oh yeah, wait. The whole entire server. I'm pretty sure the whole entire server wouldn't agree. So let me just type that in chat. Hey, server. I am filming. Oh god. I think I've spelled filming wrong. So, oh god, mine. I think. What? Yeah.
Alright, start recording.
Yeah, I know. Vin's recording. Oh god, no.
2 million clicks later.
Yeah, I think it's weird. So, my brother isn't joining right now. Hook, are you joining? Okay, guess like my brother doesn't want to.
I don't like that game. I'm not good at building.
Oh, nice
Is not joining.
I'm joining. I joined.
Okay, I was about to say my brother couldn't join because he was a little nerd. He's a little turd. So, wait, I'll be host, okay?
I'm the commentator.
I
Right, so
joined.
for today, Phoenix and I will be recording a video.
I joined. Do you heard?
Yes.
You may join this server if you want, but please note it's
I
a public
joined
server, so
there.
there is no specific code.
I joined.
Yes. So we don't have anything.
Creature Lucky Stars is joined. Hey, can they hear me?
Yeah. Hopefully.
Can they hear me in the video?
I think I spelled commentating correct.
I joined.
Oh, bro, that.
So I don't have a drone. I haven't built a drone yet. So PvP is cutting to battle. So I'm gonna go get my P40 and look around what people are doing.
I need to go to
So
PvP.
yummy.
Where's
Screw.
PvP?
Screw it. This is all a type build battle. Screw it. Yep. Screw it. You can sue any vehicle except for shredder bugs. If you use one
Someone's flexing on me.
on oh,
Someone's flexing on me.
are you even in the server?
No.
So you can't. So I can't help you on that. No. So, what now? 10 minutes. Start building.
Me?
Okay then. So now everyone's on the ground now, hopefully. And
This is an all-type build battle.
oh yeah.
It means you can use any vehicle.
Oh, everyone. So everyone's fighting. Everyone's fighting. Woo! It's actually working. I'm surprised.
Oh, looks like that gray plane has.
Oh god. Oh wait.
Go.
Okay. Wait. Where's the gray plane? Oh, the gray plane. Oh, the gray
Got
plane.
absolutely destroyed by that chopper.
Hmm.
Oh, looks like the chopper actually lost its tail.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the Tron bike flipped the chopper over.
Oh, wait,
That
what?
Tiny plane.
No, I'm the bike. I'm the bike. I am the bleak. Sadly, I don't have any.
Oh, shoot, chopper.
Wait.
Oh,
Oops.
The chopper and the Tron bike have a collision, and like the chopper.
I am the Tron bike. I am the Tron bike, apparently. If you hadn't noticed.
Tiny plane just going wild.
Yeah, I don't know what the tiny plane is doing. I'm gonna call him Tiny Man. Oh god. I got-
Oh. Look, I parachuted.
That's it. I'm going this battle too.
Oh wait, you really? Oh, I'm not in the right account for this. Well, I'm gonna spectating with the helicopter. A really armed helicopter.
Stay.
I'm parachuting down.
Oh god, wait, wrong button, wrong
I
button.
think about my mother. I think about my sons. I think about my. Oh no! I'm dropping with the parachute. The parachute's coming down slowly.
Brr, wait, I see you.
Me? Ew.
I'm participating in this
Oh
battle.
god! Wait, stop shooting me.
It's an SFA.
Oh, that plane literally got
My
like
rotors are damaged.
the plane literally like rammed into me. Wait, stop shooting me! It's me.
I know.
Okay, wait. What has
My
to
rotors
ha-
are damaged.
What have
Yeah,
this?
you know, I'm shooting at the chopper.
What have this video become?
I'll leave a pan.
Damn,
Rag rolling.
I'm moving the camera so.
Oh, okay.
Oh god, the chopper! Oh god, the chopper!
This is an SFA now.
So is this
Venus and I will also be participating, so.
so? Oh god! That chopper almost got you.
Oh, Ron, flying vertically.
Wait, what? Wait. How is that tiny plane flying so fast?
I know, right? It doesn't have any source of propulsion, as I can tell.
Yeah, I think it's just a glider.
I can't make the thing.
Oh shoot, I think I'm
so
damaged.
bad at doing this.
Alright, well, isn't that obvious? Look at, you're literally just like,
Yep, I'm definitely damaged.
I'm going down. I'm
Oh,
coming
looks like I
down.
lost some rotors.
Well, losing some rotors isn't catastrophic, right? Oh god,
Can't even fly properly.
I'm dodging.
capable
Wait,
of
am I
flying.
dodging your bullets? I'm
Turtles
do-
can move quickly, so.
I'm so bad.
I just dodged. I'm dodging your bullets.
Oh,
Yes, I'm such a pro
I'm
gamer.
just gonna play Sonic.
Yeah.
instead.
Heli, that is barely controllable.
Fine, I'm just gonna play Sonic instead.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna shoot at the chopper.
So wait, I'm gonna I should probably get out my weapon, but I'm gonna troll around with my F.
Play Sonic.
I built F-22s. They're not equipped for combat, but this thing is. This beast is.
You're a beast,
Oh, I
brother.
forgot I
Get the
hit
L
my
and
rifle.
the L and the L and the L.
Gonna recon. Time to beat Kong, all of you.
Okay, I'll
I think
shut
this
up
is.
your
I
head
think this
then.
technology isn't
Alright, I'll
around.
shut out your
Actually,
I
it
didn't
is.
realize the chopper
Your
was
head
right
will
there.
burp.
A brrrr.
A burp!
Can we get an F in chat?
That's fine.
P40.
Hello. Did it take you that long to notice that it was me? Dio. Oh god, I better get out of here.
I got your tail wing.
Wait, that's kind of weird because I'm still alive. Oh wait, are you trying to shoot me in the air?
Yes. Oh yeah, this plane asked for it.
Hello, noob. Oh wait, that thing. Oh god, that
I
thing's.
see another helicopter.
That thing is fast. How is that plane so fast?
Oh, looks like my rotors are damaged.
Oh, alright. What is this? What is that? Though, is it? Wait, someone has a mini chopper. Ew. Ew. I'm destroying the chopper. I destroyed the chopper.
I
F.
destroyed the chopper. I destroyed the
Oh god.
chopper.
I just destroyed like half. Like my left wing is like decimated.
Now,
Uh.
ready?
I got like I rammed into.
Impossible. How? Why?
Oh no! I didn't take off. I didn't take off. No, I'm so fast now. You guys, how fast am I?
Oh, I see another helicopter. This one's actually pretty well built.
I'm going. Wait. I'm just 600.
Oh, that helicopter went down.
I'm at 60. I'm at 600. I'm going up. F. Oh god!
Oh, bro, I'm still flying somehow.
How? I shot you with like 3 rockets. Okay, I'm gonna make you stop flying. Did you die?
No.
How did you?
Look, I have a self-rider.
Well, I
So
lost
when
like.
I'm flipped over, I could just press Q and it literally just flips me over.
I missed. I like. Wait, did you reset? Can we have an F in chat? I lost like literally 2. I lost literally 2 panels. I can't even speak right now.
Oh, that tiny, that tutorial plane is actually really damaged. Oh, yep, I just one-shot it.
Oh well, I think I would conclude that this would be a huge success. So, video would be over.